Hello loves, and welcome to my 2021 winter tour. I am going to explain some of the things that I have here in the room that are new, but most of the things that you have seen or people have gifted to me. So I will just explain those, but I will just basically let you see how I decorated the room this year for winter. We are going to see the kitchen and the family room for this winter tour. And so let's get started.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with.
So the kitchen on the cabinet side of the room is basically styled simply. Most of the things that you see here I've used for Christmas decor, and I made the transition very simple, very easy. I just took out a lot of the Christmas colors or Christmas elements right there on top of the cabinet where it says winter is here. That is just a plain platter. I have used that once before 7 years ago. And the platter came from, I think it was either a party store or something like that, and I just basically stenciled in winter is here. The green foliage there that you see, that was used previously in the holiday decorating, and I just added some winter tip pine cones in there to really bring forth that winter theme, and I just love the simplicity of it. Then we come to the center cabinet, the double glass door decorated with my plates that I used for the Christmas holiday. So I kept those plates there and just arranged them differently. On the top shelf, I had some winter foliage there with some pine cones, and I just love the winter tips on it, and it was big enough to decorate that top shelf. I didn't want too much going on here. I just wanted simplicity, and the light that's shown above that really brightens that and give it a beautiful glow. Then we come to the second shelf where you see the tree plates that I use for the Christmas holiday. I just left those in there, but I basically turned them facing forward more and added a little bit more plates. And I added two beautiful pine plants on each side of those. They give you that crystal ice feel to it. Then we come down to the counter. Not much going on here. I did dress down my cocoa bar, took away some of the Christmas elements, and just basically put in the family plate or plaque that you see here. Put a few pine cones, a few greenery here. Right behind the double shelf, I added a nice green tree that I used for Christmas. And then we just basically have the same thing that I had before. Love these towels. They are so perfect for the cocoa bar, and they look perfect here.
Say to me now, I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
So now we're going to come to the island. We're going to start at the right side. The island itself, I wanted to keep it simple. I didn't want too many things, too much stuff fussy over here because it is a transitional decor, and I wanted to go into spring without having to take all the different kinds of decor down and packing it up. On the island on the right hand side, you see there is a beautiful vignette here. This vignette was used for Christmas. I just basically changed it up a little bit, put it here on the right side, added a beautiful clear tray that kept it simple I had some velvet cloth that I put down on the tray to cover up some of the base. We had those beautiful trees that matched the decor perfectly, and we added those stick deers that really screams contemporary on this side, or Scandinavian. This whole vignette here screams Nordic Scandinavian style, and I just love the way it looks. It's simple, it's contemporary looking, and it's minimalist.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
On the far left hand side of the island, we have this simple sign, no decoration on it, just black and white on a black easel. Very basic, very simple. Then we come to the chairs, and I just put 2 wreaths on those, just those beautiful crystal pine wreath that matches the foliage that we have going on in the home.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me the
So now we're on the other side of the room, which is part of the family room. It's kind of cornered to the island. It is the sitting area. We're going to talk about that half shelf wall there. You see there is some beautiful candle holders here. Those candle holders were gifted to me from my sister Kimmy from My Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I put those candle holders on a nice mirrored base, and it really pops it. Love, love, love how this looks over here. Those candle holders are so sophisticated, so contemporary looking. I love them. Thank you, Kimmy, if I haven't said it enough, for this beautiful, beautiful gift. Now we come down to the 2 chairs. Both of the chairs have these beautiful pillows. The pillows are in the back, these black and white pillows, they are leather. This is another gift from my sister Kimmy for Christmas. And I just love the look of these. They are so beautiful. Love the contrasting color of the black and the white. And then we have the fur lumbar pillows that goes right in front of it. We kept the table with a lamp and a beautiful, simple Starburst design accessory. Sit on top of another mirrored base. And we just left the rest of the table alone. Down at the bottom, you will see this faux fur rug that I purchased from Amazon. I believe it was $40 or so. Don't quote me on that. I will link these items that I'm showing you that are new in the description box below. So if you are interested, you can check it out. Then we come to the credenza. Love how it looks on this side of the room. That foliage, that green foliage really pops. We have a beautiful black, white, and pine cones and green foliage. And this is just beautiful. If you haven't seen how I decorated this, I will link that in the iCard above, and you can check that out.
I wanna wake up with you.
So now we come over to the last part of the room, which is the sitting area, the coffee table, and the fireplace. This is gorgeous on this side of the room. I'll let you guys take a look at it, and then we'll talk about what we have here.
Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna.
Okay, starting over here at the niche, I put 2 cloches, one in each niche. I got a mirrored base here that I use on the bottom for the cloche to sit on, and then inside I use another square mirrored base. Basically what it is, the bottom is a votive, and it's made out of that same shattered mirrored glass as the decorative ball there. I thought they made a cute little sculpture that you can see here, and I really like it. You know, my winter decorating is basically neutral colors, and I wanted some bling to show on some of the decor and accessory pieces, and I thought these beautiful accessories that shines that I have here in the room does that. So we have these on one side of the fireplace in this cloche, and then if we come on the other side of the fireplace, there is another one that is the same, as you can see here. And I just think they look so well together on either side of the fireplace. Now the fireplace decor, most of you seen. If you have not seen me decorate this, I will link that in the iCard above, but there is a video how I went about decorating this fireplace. I love the decor on here is natural foliage, and most of the things you see here I use for Christmas, except for the white tipped pine cones. I think the pine cones really pops the foliage here, and also the ice branches does a beautiful job with that shine and that contemporary look it gives it. Now the artwork is a gift to myself for Christmas. This is a beautiful piece of artwork. It is perfect for this fireplace and the theme that I have with the winter theme, the winter trees, which is another set of trees that we have from the kitchen. I tried to bring the same decor elements from the kitchen over to the family room and vice versa, so it can flow with that nice balance, the nice symmetry that I love so much. And this artwork, if you want to know more about it, I would link it in the iCard above. So coming to the couch, this is a very small 2-seater couch. I didn't do much to it. I throw this beautiful white blanket on here. Now this white blanket and the pillow were new. They both came from ATHOME. They were on sale. They were originally $39.99 for the set, but I got it for $20. Love this. It feels so soft. Very, very pretty. Very soft. Love the blanket. It's made out of the same material. It's a 60 by 60 blanket, and it puddles there on the floor. Gorgeous. Loved how it feels to the skin. My husband, he's been sleeping over here, so he loves this blanket. He said it is so warm, but it's light. It's not heavy at all. Then we come to the other pillow that I purchased. Kimmy purchased me 2 of those pillows. I already purchased 2 of them from before, and it's so funny. I told her this, that I had already purchased those same pillows. She knew exactly my taste. I just love it. Then we come over here to another fur lumbar pillow that we put in the corner there to give us some texture, and I think it looks great. It's black and white. We come down to the coffee table, which is the last item that I'm going to talk about. Down here on the bottom shelf, basic, just put 2 coffee table books on here, one by Chanel, the other one is a black and white coffee table book. Just simple, nothing extravagant. If you want to know more about this coffee table style, I have that in the iCard also. This is a beautiful, simple winter coffee table with the fur and the shine and the foliage, and just beautiful. Love this gorgeous flower bow here. Now there's something different that I did when I first decorated this flower bow. It actually had big hydrangea flowers in it, but that did something. It took away the look that I wanted. I wanted more wintry, and that winter, the white foliage gave it a summery vibe. So I took away the white foliage and put more pine picks in here, and you can see that this is the look I wanted. It matches the look on the fireplace, and I think it's perfect. I love those snow tip pine cones in here, the fur snowballs, and also the crystal white snowballs, as you can see there. And against that fur rug, it is beautiful. Love the look. Gorgeous. Then we come over here to another vignette, which is simple. The 2 glitter balls is the same glitter ball that's in the cloche in the niche there, but these are 2 different colors. These are silver, and I just put one on a stand and one sitting on the table. And then we have another cloche here to make it a perfect set of 3, and that completes the coffee table. Inside the cloche, you will see that beautiful statue that I love. You normally have this in the niche for the summer, but I decided to put it inside a cloche to really stand it out and give it its own little representation here on the table. And I think it's gorgeous with the black sitting on a mirrored base on this beautiful white lacquered table inside a gorgeous cloche. The cloche is new. I got that from ZGALLERY. It was on sale for $26. I think it was originally $39, $49, something like that. I think it was $50. And they had a sale for the holidays, and I purchased it, another Christmas gift for myself. So that is it for this tour, guys. I let you guys see one more time how it looks, and then we will close out this video.